Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about adding and subtracting integers. Let's take a look. So using number lines, the first number in a number sentence is the number you start on, and the next number with its sign tells you how far you're going and in which direction. So a positive sign or a plus sign means you're going to the right, and a negative sign means you're going to the left. So in this case, I am starting on -5. This is telling me I am going to the right, and this is 6 spaces. So I'm starting on -5, and I'm going to the right 6 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I end up on 1. So -5 plus 6 is equal to 1. Let's take a look at these. So again, this is our starting number. So I'm starting on 15. And then I'm going, in this case, to the left 12 spaces. So starting on 15, going to the left 12 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I get 3. So 15 plus -12 is 3. So now I am starting on -4, and I'm going to the right 13 because that is a positive 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I get 9. So -4 plus 13 is 9. And now a -2 plus -8. So I'm starting on -2, and then I'm going 8 in the negative direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I get to -10. And it's that easy. Let me know if you have any questions on that. We're now going to move on to subtraction. So subtracting integers, the easiest thing to do is change the problem to addition. So you change the second integer to its opposite using the phrase keep, change, opposite. So I'm going to keep this first number, I'm going to change this to an addition sign, and then I'm going to take the opposite of that 6. So I'm going to keep the -5, I'm going to change that to an addition sign, and now I'm going to change the 6 to a -6, which is its opposite. So keep, change, opposite. I start on -5 now. I'm doing the same steps I did for addition. And I'm going 6 in the negative direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I get to -11. Let's take a look at a few more. So the 4 minus 8, remember keep, change, opposite. That's the same as 4 plus -8, because I'm keeping the 4, changing the minus to a plus, and changing the 8 to a -8. So 4 plus -8. So I'm starting on 4, and I'm going 8 in the negative direction. And in this case, I will end up on -4. So now this one's a little trickier, but it's still going to follow our keep, change, opposite. So I'm going to keep the -4, change the minus sign to an addition sign, and the opposite of -5 is +5. So that's really a -4 plus 5. So I'm starting on -4, and then I'm going 5 in the direction to the right, so towards the positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that gets us to 1. -3 minus 10, I'm keeping the -3, changing it to an addition sign, and changing that to a -10. So -3 plus -10, so I'm starting on -3, and I'm going 10 in the negative direction. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I get to -13. And then -8 or +8 minus -12, I'm going to keep the 8. And now minus -12, well, I'm going to change that to an addition. and then I'm going to change the 12 to a positive 12. And I don't even need the number line for this because I just know that 8 plus 12, because I'm just adding positive integers, is 20. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful rest of your day.